girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
I am currently editing and like really tired. I didn't really film my skincare and stuff, so I feel like this day in the life vlog just fizzled out because I fizzled out energy wise. So I'm going to carry this into tomorrow because tomorrow I should be out and about and doing things, so it should be more interesting. But I literally like napped, hung out with my dog, watched F1. I did go thrifting, which I took you along for, but I only found 2 things, and then I sold my House of CB dress, which was very exciting. That's one of my more expensive items that has sold, so it's just nice to get those sold and hopefully get a good review on those, so people know that when I'm pricing something up, it's for a reason. Anyway, so I'm just gonna finish uploading videos for the next video I need to edit. I'm not going to edit it tonight. I'm just going to get it all ready for myself because it takes a lot of time to upload the video into CapCut to then edit it. So I like to separate the two, especially if I'm tired, like I am right now. And then I'm going to read a chapter of my book and I'm going to go to bed. So with that, I'll see you tomorrow. This is what we like to see right here. I love Christmas. I'm getting a new laundry basket, but I can't get it out. Now we gotta find my mom. We told ourselves we wouldn't get a cart. Here I am with a cart. Look what I found. Coming straight home with me. Biggest Poppy fan ever.